Hey, woodcutters, TopSaw here. Taking a little bit of a step up from this little battery Husqvarna to the new Stihl 500i. And this video is going to see which saw cuts better, which saw is better for felling. Just generally a comparison between this battery operated Husqvarna 12-inch saw and that 32-inch new Stihl 500i. Actually, just kidding. My big logging saw right here is a Husky 395XP. I think that's a 28-inch bar, full wrap handle. It's a big saw. I like it a lot. And trading it out for the 500i right there. 32-inch lightweight bar. Very exciting special delivery, 500i, the Tesla of chainsaws. Look at that Cadillac. Oh my goodness. That thing, it's not that big, huh?
It's so light.
It's half the size of a 395. Oh, it's light too. Is that
Feel it.
Oh, that thing's cool. That is light.
It's light.
Full wrap handle. I like that full wrap. Lightweight chain, lightweight bar. Go ahead and grab both of them. Let's just compare them for weight.
It's not even.
No comparison, huh?
No. Not even close. I mean, you have to set that one down gently. This one's just.
Yeah. Just the size, the bulk difference between the two. It's amazing. Oh, it's so exciting. The thing is beautiful. It's 32 is perfect. Look at that. Wow, this thing's nice. Primer bulb. Fuel injected. I don't even know what that means. I'll let you do that with this little car. Compress it. Go cut some wood. So side by side, the Husky 395XP, it's a pretty old saw. It's 95 cc's and just about 18 pounds. The 500i is, I think, 80 cc's, maybe 79 cc's, and under 14 pounds. It doesn't seem like that much of a difference, but when you pick them up, it's a world of difference, and the balance as well. Taking a look at the 500i. Compression release for the full pop. Because it's fuel injected, no choke at all. Little primer bulb, do a little fuel in there. And then I guess an electronic kill switch. It's kind of cool. really nice hand, full wrap. This must be a guard so you don't stick your hand in and grab that bar, grab the cylinder right there and cook yourself. Beautiful dogs. Very, very nice. Here's what it comes with. Comes with a TopSaw. Just kidding. This channel is TopSaw. It doesn't come with the TopSaw. I wish it did. Yeah, all right. New 500i. I mean, it's a big milestone in chainsaws, I guess. All right, here's my set of saws besides climbing saws. So kind of the smallest saw with a 26-inch bar on there. It's a lightweight bar. I like climbing with this a lot. This is a 362. This is a great saw. I wouldn't trade it for anything. Then from there, I jumped up to the 046 with the 32-inch bar. I've had this saw forever, felling, tree work. And then from the 46, I went to the Husky 395. I think I have a 42-inch bar for that, but there's a short 28 on it now. I like the full wrap. So now what I'm hoping with the new 500i, with the 32 lightweight bar and the full wrap, I'll just have two saws. That one, felling, logging, climbing big blocks, which I don't do that much of, and the 362, and then my climbing saws. So even though I had these two, I'm hoping to replace both of these with that one right there. So that's kind of how it fits into the arsenal right there.